Hey everybody, and welcome to an unboxing video. If any of you have been looking at the stories so far, you realize that there is this big box of goodies. It's almost like a mystery. I know what's inside, and I'm going to show you very shortly. So now we're going to open this box up. And because it's a lovely big box, one has to use a lovely big knife. So come a little closer and have a look at this. The more perceptive of you have already figured out that there's a set of tires here. Alright, and a nice big box. A very heavy box. I'm gonna put that down. These tires are the first of its kind in the UAE. Dunlop's Q4. So come in a little closer and I'm gonna show you a little bit about these tires. Dunlop's Q4, built for racing with a little bit of tread just to make it road legal enough. And there you go. That is the massive 180 rear tire. Sport Max Q4. Q4. Excellent tires. Cannot wait to have these on the track. And we've got a Senna Evo, 20S Evo, dual pack. If you don't use a Senna, you should. Brilliant stuff. Air filter, K&N. An oil filter, also K&N. Oh, right. DID chain, 520. Complete clutch rebuild kit. How awesome is that? And the spring set. We got brake lines. That was all the stuff that was in the mystery box. And the highlight are, of course, the Q4 tires.